Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can turn images to talking videos, right? Yeah, so I want you to stay tuned and stay with me to the end of this video, right? So for this tutorial, we're needing one important app and one important site. Yeah, the sites can actually be used in your browser. So the very important app I talked about is the Canva app. The Canva app. This is the Canva app. This is the Canva app, right? If you don't have this app, you should download it. This app is very easy and friendly to use. Whether you're a business owner, whether you're not even a graphic designer, you can use this app. It's very flexible to use. Good. So we'd have to use our data. We cannot start this. We cannot use the Canva app without using our data. So we'll click on the Canva. Now, while we're clicking on this Canva, is for me to show you how you can design a flyer. All right, how you can be able to design a flyer. Like I said before, it is flexible to use. Canva makes everyone a graphic designer. You don't even need to have any previous knowledge on graphic designing before you're able to use this app. It is so flexible. It is user friendly. It is everything a graphic designer would want. So we're waiting for it to load. We have to wait for it to load. Canva requires a very tight internet connection. Canva doesn't actually work without data. So you have to have data and a strong internet connection on your phone. It's taking longer than expected to load. Check your internet connection. So our Canva app is already coming up. This is the Canva Pro, but do not worry your head. You can still try this out with the free Canva Pro. So we are going to search for a template. Let's accept all cookies. Make this one DBL for now first. Like I said before, now Canva is very flexible. Just type out whatever you want, you know. Well, okay, you have to go to template. Live webinar. So as you can see, we have a lot of templates. You can scroll through and pick the ones you want. You can pick any, but I think we should work with this. We're going to wait for it to load. It has to load up. So as you can see, our flyer is fully loaded. We can choose to edit whatever, you understand. You can click on live webinar. You can edit whatever it is you want to edit. I don't know if we should do some editing, but it is just because we don't intend wasting time on this video. Now you can replace the picture right here with yours if you wish. You can replace it whatever you want to, you know, if you wish. But that is not the... So I'm not going to be using my picture. I'll be using a separate picture, a different picture. So I'm going to have to remove the background of the picture. So I have to use my Remove BG app. Yeah, this is my Remove BG app. This app is for background removal. So I just have to come here, upload my image, remove the background, and save the picture. I forgot to mention this also. Another important app or a website is Remove BG. You just come here, upload the image. I'm going to be uploading from my upload image. Let me choose photos then. Good. The background has been removed. Then we just need to download the download image now. So our picture is downloaded now. We have to move from here. So this is the most important part of the video. This is where we'll convert our images to token videos. So alright, we need to go to our Chrome browser. Okay, so right, this is always my this is a website where you can buy data, airtime, whatever it is you want to do. You want to recharge your cable, you just have to come and click on quickrecharge.com.ng. I'm going to drop in the video in the description button so that you can buy your data really affordable rate and your airtime, your money and every other thing is safe. But that's not what we are here for. So we have to click on the a new button and type in our website. So we're using HTTP. We can edit this, right? No, we have to edit from youtube.com. The id.com. It has to be on desktop site. So as you can see, our website is loaded. You have to click on try now, it's free. So we're right here in our studio. This is where we're going to be generating our videos. We just have to wait for it to load. You need a tight internet connection. This AI app is, or AI website gives you 20 credits. All right, 20 credits. Um, if you exhaust your 20 credits, then I think you might want to upgrade. Do you understand? We're still waiting for it to load. We're going to have to wait for it to load. Welcome. The next thing we'll have to would click on create video. If you scroll down, let's wait for it to, it's still loading, so we'll have to wait for it to load. They already gave me somebody, but you can choose your own presenter. You have to come down, you have to scroll down to choose your presenter. Let's choose our own presenter here. This is AI. AI is changing the narrative, but we still have to use it effectively. Like I said, we need to add our own, we have to choose our presenter. Now for particular websites, this particular website, you have to log in, you have to sign in rather. You can log in with your email. So alright, so we're able to generate ads because I tried uploading a video, but I don't know what the problem is. Probably the free version, I'm having issues. So our script has been generated. I typed in this. I cannot type more than 10 words. This is the free version. If you want to type more than, you have to upgrade. If you want to upgrade, just go through the upgrade plans and do justice to that. So that is, we have to generate video. Click on generate video here. Waiting for it to generate. Okay, I was giving 1 credit, so I have 19 credit left. Now this credit depends on the MBO. So that's the length of your video. So I still have 19 credit left. So I just have to click on generate. So we have our video here. Download it. So we have to wait for it to download. Completed. Next thing for us to upload it to Canva and let it talk. Thank you. So we are back. We then have to click on this. We have to click on the image box. I think it's still loading. Then we click on replace. Videos. We're going to wait for it to load. The videos are going to load right now.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.
Ta-da! When you click on it,
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.
then click on download. At the end of our video, once you click on download, it saves to your gallery. Like I told you before, this can be used for your various businesses. If you're a baker, if you're a business person, an entrepreneur, you can use this to create talking videos. AI has come to stay and it has come to assist us, and we should give you the liberty to do its work. Thank you for staying with me to the end of the video. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye.